In this video, you are going to learn how to create concrete fascia, especially if you have roof below and you want it to be exactly what you have on the upper roof. You can see this at the end of this video. You'll be able to learn and create something like this, even though the roof is sloping or the roof is below. Without further ado, let's get started. So what I'll do is I'll go to the approach view, then copy that particular concrete fascia that I've already created before. Simply copy it from that point. You can even copy from the roof, or you copy from the wall. You can pick it from the wall. Okay, just pick it from the wall and come and drop it on the exact place. So you select this one, simply bring it down. You can use move to bring it down to this point. All right, so this is it. So the next thing is you are going to go to 3D. Okay, you can see this is what we have just copied. Don't bother about this. We'll delete this one later. So the reason we copy this is we want to use this profile. I will go to architecture. On the architecture tab, go to the drop down, then select model in place, then select casework, click OK. The name doesn't matter. If you want to give it a name, it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to select sweep. Then when you have selected sweep, instead of sketch path, select pick path. Okay, then you are going to make sure this pick 3D edges is selected. Then you are going to pick this particular edge, because this is what is going to give you your profile. So pick this particular one first and finish it for now. We'll still come back to it. Then click edit profile. You are going to go to approach view. You see where we want to use the profile. You see that this profile is now there for us to use. So I'm going to go to pick line. Then I will simply pick all this line. This is going to form my profile, and I can draw now. I don't want it to be too big so that it will be able to go around. So at this time I'm going to trim to make sure they are looped together. Make sure it is looped. This profile is looped. If it is not looped, it will not work. Make sure this profile is looped, because if it is not looped, it will not work. Okay, now that I'm done with the profile, I can now finish it. Let's finish it again. Let's finish it on this. Let's go to our 3D. All right, this is what we have in the 3D. You can see we have gotten it on the profile. So the next thing is we'll delete this one. We only needed it to get our profile. Okay, so we have deleted that. Then you look at it now. What we need now is for this end to go up. Then this other side should also go up. Okay, let's quickly select it, edit, edit model in place, or edit in place, whatever. Then select it again, edit sweep, then pick parts. You can see it's only pick part that is active. Sketch part is no longer active. The reason sketch part is not active is we use 3D parts, and that is the reason. And the reason we use 3D part is if you use 2D parts, you won't be able to go up. It will rather go horizontally. It cannot go up. I'm sure you get that. Okay, so I'm going to continue with picking parts. Then make sure pick 3D edges is selected. In some version of Revit, it may not show 3D edges. Whatever is showing, if you look around, you'll see that it's something that you can pick the 3D part. Okay, and if you look at it carefully, this existing roof, this roof have edges. Don't make mistake to pick this upper one. No, here I picked the lower one. So continue with the lower edge so that this edge will loop together. If you go and pick the upper edge, it means that it's not going to be looped. And if there is an opening, it is not going to work. It is going to give you error. Then on this end, also edge look for that edge. Take your time to look for the edge and make sure what you are picking is only the edge. Pick only the edge, only the relevant edge. Okay, you can see this is the one we are picking. Don't pick this and don't pick this. All right, then I have picked it, and you see that it is perfectly looped. Let's finish it now and see what we have. Boom, there you have it. Is exactly what we have on the upper end. Can you see that? It's exactly. So that is how you can create concrete fascia that will align with roof, most especially if you have roof below. I'm sure you have benefited something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me feedback. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.